myself Khushbu Kapoor. Welcome to my channel Exotic Chemistry, where the mission is not only 100% marks but also 100% knowledge. Today I am going to tell you the topic from class 9th chapter matter, that particles of matter are in continuous motion. In my previous video I had told you about that the particles of matter attract each other, and my next topic is the particles of matter are in continuous motion. To understand this topic I am going to tell you the two activities related to this. First activity is first of all, the topic that is which I am going to tell you is particles of matter are in continuous motion. The particles of matter are in continuous motion. How you will understand this? This I am going to tell you with an activity. See, first of all, take one incense stick which is unlit. Incense stick, I hope you all know about it. Incense stick, that is agarbatti or dhoop batti, which we normally use during the puja ceremony in our homes. You have taken this unlit, means it is not in a burning mode, fine, and keep it in the corner of your class. Okay? What you have done is taken unlit incense stick and keep it in the corner of your class. Now after that, while keeping this, what you are supposed to do, if you want to smell its fragrance, now you have to go nearby and you have to smell the fragrance. But when you are going to lit this incense stick, after that, and you just keep it in that same corner, after that within you can say 10 minutes, you will get the fragrance from a distance. You will get the fragrance from the distance. Means when it was unlit, then you have to close nearby, but when it is far away from you, means after 10 minutes, when you have lit it, then when you are going to burn this, then within 10 minutes the whole class was filled with the fragrance of incense stick. Why it is so? This is because the particle which was in a stationary mode, stationary means which are in a constant mode, they are still there. The particle which were in a stationary mode, because of the burning of incense stick, now they start to spread in the room with the when you have in a lit position. Okay, then what is the reason behind it? That is the intermixing of two different types of matter. There is one phenomena called diffusion. Diffusion word is normally used in biology also and in chemistry also. What is that diffusion? Because of the diffusion, the particles of matter are in a continuous motion. But the question arises, what is diffusion? Diffusion is basically the intermixing of two types of matter. Intermixing of two types of matter is called diffusion, or the movement of that particular particles from a region of high concentration to a region of low concentration. Means when you have lit this incense stick, the concentration, that is the particles, are in a high concentration, and from there they are moving or they are spreading to different direction. Okay, means all these processes are occurring because of the phenomena called diffusion. What is diffusion? It is basically the intermixing of two types of matter is called diffusion. And one more definition I have told you, that is that diffusion is the movement of particles from a region of high concentration to a region of low concentration. But why it happens? If the particles in a moving state, why it happens? This is because when we used to increase the temperature, means this time the temperature is not there, but when we lit this, the temperature of this particular incense stick get increased. Because of the increase of temperature, the kinetic energy, or you can say the motion of the particles increases. This means the collision property will increase, and because of the increase of temperature, it leads to the increase in kinetic energy, and hence the fragrance, you don't have to go nearby with the burn to get the fragrance of burning incense stick, but it will, you can sit in one corner of a class and in the other corner you are having that incense stick within a burning mode, then you can easily feel its fragrance. Okay, so why all this happens? All this happens because of the diffusion, or you can say when the temperature increases, then the kinetic energy of the particles increases, or you can say the motion of the particles increases, and this activity proves that the particles of matter are in a continuous motion. See, this is one example. In my another example, what I had done is I had taken two beakers. Okay, this one is having the hot water and I have adding the second, this one is having the cold water, means a normal water you can also take. Okay, and in this what I am going to add is I am going to add copper sulfate crystals. What is copper sulfate crystals? Copper sulfate crystals are normally blue in color. Okay, copper sulfate crystals are normally blue in color. So in both the case I had added one spatula of copper sulfate, both in the hot water, means the water is an equal amount in both. If I am taking in a 50 ml water, cold hot water, then there will be 50 ml cold water also. Okay, in both the cases I have added one spatula of copper sulfate. Okay, after just keep it, don't stir the solution. What you are going to observe, you are going to observe that the crystals of copper sulfate in a hot water will give blue color much faster than the crystals in cold water. It will give, cold water will also give, but the rate at which the color of the crystal appears in the hot water is more. Why? Once again the same, because of the rise in temperature, because the temperature of the hot water is normally high. Because of the high temperature, kinetic energy is going to increase. If kinetic energy is increased, that is the motion of the particles increases, and because of that the crystals which are present in hot water will give color much faster than in the cold water. So by these two activities I will conclude that the particles of matter are in a state of continuous motion. Okay, I hope you have understood both these two activities. If you have any query, please write your concern in your message box in my comment section, and but please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I need your support. Thank you.